Bring it back.
You might be wondering what has been happening in the markets over the weekend or over the whole week. So let's have a market overview over that. First of all, coin market capitalization, we're up a lot today again. The markets just keep getting more money daily. Why is more money coming into the markets is some of the questions you should be asking, and I am asking as well. So we have $275 billion in market capitalization, and a whole 145 billion of that is in Bitcoin, with a market dominance of 52.9. So Bitcoin is still having the most of it. You can see across the board, everything is going up, as they don't usually do, going up with the price of Bitcoin. So you can see all the green. So if you're holding any of these currencies, you are in big profits. And I don't think I need to actually check big gainers and big losers, but let's see that. Big gainers for today, we have open trading. Don't know about open trading, maybe have to research about it a bit. And biggest losers, we have Nexus and Bitcoin Cash. Oh, interesting. I thought it was gaining too. Okay, so Nexus, it was up some days ago, now it's down. I think some of these coins in the at the top here will also be down soon as well. So, but congratulations if you're holding, and don't forget to take profits when you get profit. Don't get too stingy. So that has been what's happening generally in the coin market capitalization. And let's see the charts on Bitcoin. And last time we made analysis, we spoke about Bitcoin going up or down, and I think it actually made a decision this week to go up. So we have the price of Bitcoin presently soaring above north. Yeah, I always wanted to use that word. North of 8,700. So 8,728, and our target was 8,820, give or take $200, as I said in the last video. So our price action is going up, and as you can see, we've had a long run, and we seem to have a lot of support around this 7,800 or 7,900 level. So what are the chances the market could drop below? We still expect that correction, but we don't know how soon or if that correction is going to be. We expect that the next target for Bitcoin is eventually 10,000, but is this the move up to 10,000 that we've been waiting for, or is this just some move, or is there something moving in the market? So part of the reasons could be Bitcoin Diamond. You said it, yeah, another hard fork. But this hard fork is quite peculiar because we have a supply of 210 million tokens or coins created. So if you have 1 Bitcoin, you get 10 Bitcoin Diamond. Congratulations to all those who got 10 Bitcoin Diamond. I think the first place you will have gotten it was supposed to be on Binannce. So congratulations to you. Here's the website on Bitcoin Diamond if you're interested in a hard fork of Bitcoin Diamond. And yeah, I guess that's it. So one of the reasons why I feel the price of Bitcoin has been going up has been possibly wild scale adoption. A lot of people are getting to hear about Bitcoin, see Bitcoin, and if you've been around me of late, I speak to Bitcoin with anybody who cares to listen. So let's see this.
I can't believe a single Bitcoin is worth $5,000.
Didn't we mine some a few years ago?
It's a big bang windfall.
What are you gonna do with your share of the money?
Buy a tiger. But you know, don't count your Bitcoin.
How much is in there?
It's empty. Before it's...
You know where it is?
So as you can see, Hollywood seems to be talking about Bitcoin lots these days. Now this isn't the first one I've seen. I've seen some other ones, and the first one I saw was in Arrow, where they spoke about Bitcoin being used by Anatoly, or the Russian gangster mob, to send money from one place to another without being tracked by the banks, which gave people that incentive on it. And in other words, let's talk about hacking this week. So we've had a lot of hacking. In other words, let's talk about hacking this week. We've had a lot of hacking happening this week, and you can see Trevor James, for instance, got hacked for 111 Bitcoin, and some other cryptocurrency enthusiasts or those who get share also got hacked. I've heard about these cases before. Tether got hacked, and so many companies. So this is the time to protect your cryptocurrencies. Keep them in safe places where hackers won't find them as much as possible, guys. Cannot overemphasize on the idea of what protecting yourself. It's eminent. So Now, talking about hacking, one of the other videos where I saw this Bitcoin thing was in Grey's Anatomy. Yeah, Grey's Anatomy. Look at these movies. Arrow, a movie where a series where a lot of people watch. Big Bang Theory, and now Grey's Anatomy. Let's see this.
After big, just tell me how to stop it.
Okay, Denver Medical said they stopped the hackers, but I know the chief, it was just PR. They stopped them with money.
They paid the rents.
That is not true. Officially. But yes, you are correct.
Well, they only want 5,000.
Bitcoin.
Well, if that's all they want, hell, I'll write them a check right now.
Bitcoin.
Why does he keep saying that?
They want 5,000 Bitcoin. It's virtual money right now that translates to roughly $20 million.
Now I like that look on their face when you say 5,000 Bitcoin is worth $20 million. I don't think it's still worth $20 million. It's higher now. But that is what you see. There's a lot of widespread adoption in the price of Bitcoin in the long run, maybe possibly due to institutional money coming in, or more investors being taught about Bitcoin by brainwashing them. In these movies, first of all, it was used for transactions, now it's used for ransom, and all of a sudden Big Bang Theory is making money out of Bitcoin. So that might be the reasons why we see the price of Bitcoin skyrocketing at the present moment, or maybe not. So next, let's talk about this article. Here's what stands in the way of a tokenized economy. Now, I won't read this article, you can read it yourself and see what they talk about. But a tokenized economy, which generally means using cryptocurrencies as this form of legal tender. So the question of the day is, what do you think is the reason why people don't use cryptocurrencies as their form of tender? Now, I have a theory to give, which is deflationary currencies do not encourage spending, they encourage hodling, like what we see in the Bitcoin at the moment, while inflationary currencies actually make you spend more per se. So if Bitcoin was supposed to be the next form of legal tender in the country, it means people will have to huddle. Everybody will be waiting for the day their one Bitcoin becomes $1 million, or in this case maybe €1 million or something, before they'll spend it. So what do you think is the reason why cryptocurrencies are not ready for adoption? It has been Nano. I'll see you next time.